Rhythm problems are extremely common medical condition, especially in the older population. Some symptoms are very obvious, like feeling rapid heart rate, and usually a patient will go to the doctor. Unfortunately, many symptoms of electrical problem with the heart can be too general, such as shortness of breath, feeling tired, fatigue, dizziness, lightheadedness, and it's ignored by most of the patients. This is the first symptoms, and it shouldn't be ignored, because in some patients it can lead to more serious medical conditions, such as passing out or stroke. At Phoenix Hill Hospital, we're providing comprehensive care for all electrical problems, which is in general can be divided in two broad categories, too fast or too slow. We have 3 experienced physicians, and we're treating not only electrical problem, but we providing personalized care. The best therapy for individual patient, and go to the bottom of the problem, what causing electrical problem, rather than treating electrical problem alone.